Hi, how you doing? Sam from Soundwaves along with Joe.
How you doing?
And tonight we're here to talk about, what are we here to talk about? A lock? Just tell me about this one.
It's a deadbolt. It's a deadbolt from Kwikset that works with Control 4.
How does it do that? It just looks like a lock to me with some numbers on it. Just tell me something about this.
It's got a ZigBee radio built into it. As with a lot of different devices that interface with Control 4, it's got a radio built into the back of the unit here that works off of ZigBee and can communicate back to a Control 4 system so that you can do things like automate your door locks.
Now we're getting interesting though. By automating my door locks, you saying I could, with my app that's downloaded to my iPhone, lock and unlock my house?
You could lock the house at a certain time of the night, you know, say 11 o'clock at night, the front door locks every night.
Right.
You could do things like, you know, if the smoke alarm or fire alarm goes off, if you have your security system tied in with Control 4, you don't want to be trying to get out of the house with the doors locked, so that if, say, the smoke alarm or burglar alarm goes off, it can unlock the doors based upon a fire, of course. You wouldn't want to unlock the doors if
somebody's trying to
a thief
break
in
in,
the house,
right.
But, you know, you can do things like that.
Cool. And it's got also an electronic function on here, I see, as well as a key
you know,
handle?
it has a traditional key on the front, so you can lock and unlock the door, you know, with a traditional key. But, you know, once you have something like this, you know, you really won't need these.
Right.
But you can still use a key if you'd like. You know, some people like to do that. Or you could simply, you know, enter in a 4-digit code, you know, say, and then it will lock the door or unlock the door. We happen to have it unlocked, but
Cool.
So then or you can just hit the lock function.
Nice.
So when you leave the house, you hit the lock button, the deadbolt goes through, locks the door.
And can you check and make sure that it's locked from your phone in case?
We can set the system up so that it does certain things, like sends you an email or sends you a text message based upon the door being locked or unlocked. We can even set up a user code for each person in the household.
Oh, cool.
Or even you know, maid, housekeepers, dog sitters, somebody like that.
So if you have somebody coming in and cleaning your house, they can have their own personalized code so you know that they were there?
Right. So then once they enter their code, the door will unlock, and then as soon as it unlocks, it will send a text message or email, but however we set it up to say that this person has arrived. It'll give you the time that they got there, and then it'll also do when they lock the door and leave. It'll send you another message.
Wow.
Based upon how we set it up.
Correct.
A lot of it's based upon programming, but it can do certain functions like
gotcha.
that.
And what about, I see finishes on this. Does it come in different finishes for different...
This is Satin Nickel. It comes in Satin Nickel. It comes in bronze. It comes in antique bronze.
Okay.
So there's like 3 or 4 different finishes that it can come in, to match the decor of your home. It also comes... This is a deadbolt, so it's just, the key,
right?
No handle on here, but you can also get this as a handle. So where the key would be the door handle, doorknob, right. And then, because some doors don't always have a deadbolt. They might just have, a knob with a key in there, and you can replace it with something like this. So one of the things you can do with it as well is, lock it from, the remote with the on-screen interface. Through the list navigator, you can lock and unlock the front door. Any device that interfaces with Control 4.
Okay.
iPod Touch, iPad, the in-wall 7-inch touch panel, any of those devices.
Great.
So you can, again, it's got batteries built into it. If the batteries start to go low, we can send an email saying that the batteries are getting low. You can use it on front doors, back doors, garage doors, any door that you could think of that you want to secure and kind of automate it with Control 4.
Awesome. So something that seems so simple as a normal door lock is actually quite interesting. And again, this is a Kwikset ZigBee controlled door lock system available from Control 4. And you can come down, see a demo, and take a look at it at Soundwaves, or you can check out our website at www.sound-waves.com. Thanks.
Right.